Welcome to Tyme Tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you step by step through how to customize your invoice settings inside the finance dashboard of Tyme. First, go to your dashboard, then click on Settings. From there, navigate to Finance Settings, and finally select Invoice Settings. Here you'll see several options to fully personalize the way your invoices look and function. Start by uploading your invoice logo, so every invoice you send has your business branding. Next, you can add your Authorized Signatory Signature, which will automatically appear on your invoices, making them look more professional and trustworthy. You can also choose the language of your invoices to suit your clients and set the due after days to define when the payment should be completed. To make sure your clients never miss a payment, you can configure Send Reminder Before and Send Reminder After options. These reminders help notify your customers before the due date and even after, in case the payment is delayed. If you want to display extra details, you can show the tax number on your invoices, enable Show Status, and even Show Tax Calculation message, so clients clearly understand the tax breakdown. At the bottom, you can add your terms and conditions for legal clarity and include other information, such as payment instructions or additional notes for your clients. Once all these settings are adjusted to your preference, click Save, and your invoices will automatically use your customized settings for all future transactions. And that's it. Your invoice system is now fully set up and ready to give your clients a clear, professional, and branded billing experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.